Soft and chewy chocolate cookies with a hint of espresso and mini chocolate chips are sure to become a favorite. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making chocolate espresso cookies. Start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees. Add 113 grams of softened butter, 113 grams of cane sugar, and 113 grams of light brown sugar to a stand mixer. Mix on low until combined and there are no butter chunks. Add 2 tablespoons of vanilla coffee creamer and 1 large egg and mix to combine. Then add in 191 grams of all-purpose flour, 43 grams of Dutch cocoa powder that's been sifted, half a teaspoon of ground vanilla bean, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix on low until combined into a cookie dough. Last, add in 198 grams of mini dark chocolate chips and mix to combine completely. Using your hands or a cookie scoop, roll the dough into 12 balls and place on 2 parchment paper lined baking sheets. You'll have 6 cookies per sheet. Flatten them slightly so they are about 2 inches in diameter. I like to add more mini dark chocolate chips on top, but this part is totally optional. Bake at 375 degrees for 15 to 17 minutes or until the edges look dry. Using a cookie cutter or a glass, round out the cookies for perfectly round cookies immediately after they come out of the oven. I like to sprinkle the tops with a little dusting of cane sugar immediately after coming out of the oven for the perfect texture. If you want more organic cookie recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.